and voila, the video is ready. You see, it was super easy to edit the design with this mockup. Hello, my name is Tony from Lazy Cats Mockups. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit and add your own design with Photoshop to this video mockup that you can find in our Etsy store. If you want to use Canva, then click on the icon above to see the other video mockup tutorial that I made especially for Canva. As you know, Etsy buyers love these little videos where you can see the designs. And most important, it improves your ranking on Etsy. Here, only the pampas on the right are moving. Sometimes on other videos, the sleeves are moving just a little bit, but mainly the garment stays still. I really want the buyer to stay focused on the design, and for me, this is the most important. Also note that when you buy this video mockup, you will get the JPeg mockup for free. Just add your design on the top, and that's it. The design area is this rectangle right here. But if your design is smaller, it's not a problem. You can adjust as you want and use just a smaller part. A print-on-demand company like Printful requests a size of 12 by 16 inches rectangle for the front, which is what you see in this mockup. You can see that I'm working with Adobe Creative and I've downloaded the newest version of Photoshop, but also the older version of 2021, the version 22.0. This is the version you need to use. Because, for example, with the M1 processor from Apple, if you use the newest version of Photoshop, you won't be able to edit the video mockup. But with the older version, it works perfectly. Maybe in a couple of months, the newest version will be able to edit it. But for now, we're using Photoshop 2021. So I have here the PSD file of the video mockup, and I drag it to Photoshop to open it. As you can see, I'm using a French version of Photoshop, but don't worry. I will show you exactly how to edit and where to click. So first, I need to open the timeline. So I'm going to the window section, then down to timeline. You can see that the video is 15 seconds long, which is what Etsy allows, and there's no sound or music. But if you want to add one, you can. But just remember, on Etsy, there won't be any sound. Now I open the layers section, and inside image, this is where you will edit and add your design. Double-click this white rectangle on the left. This is the dynamic object layer. Then another window will open. So here you will just add your design, just drag and drop it above. In this first example, the design is a vertical photo, but a little bit later I will show you how to use a PNG file text. The idea is just to adjust the design so it will match exactly how it looks like at the end when it will be printed. Now I delete the gray layer, save the document, and close the window. You can see how the design looks like on the sweatshirt. And when I zoom in, you can see the little wavy part that matches the garment. If the design looks too big, just double-click again on the dynamic object layer and reduce the position and move it as you want. Then save again and close the window. Now to download the video, just hit the 4 little lines on the right side and click Render Video. Change the name of the video and select where you want to save it. I'm selecting the same folder and then hit Render. It will take a couple of minutes, of course, depending on your computer. Now that it's done, double check the video to be sure that it looks exactly as you want. And here it is, the video is ready to be published. Now let's change the design for a PNG quote. So I'm gonna hit Revert and it's gonna bring me back the original file. But you can also change the dynamic layer, add the new design and delete the other one. It's up to you. On the layer sections, I double click on the dynamic layer, the little white rectangle on the left. The new window opens and I drag the new design that I already prepared on top. I move it as I want and then I delete the background. Now I save and close this window. This is the final result. I just want to move it a little bit later, so I go back to the design layer, move it, save, and close again. Now it's okay for me. I hit play as before just to be sure that the video is exactly as I want. And when I'm happy, I click on the little lines on the right and I do the same. I change the name. You can see the location is already okay for me. And now I hit render. A couple of minutes and voila, the video is ready. You see, it was super easy to edit the design with this mockup. You can take a look at our channel for more tutorials and on our Etsy store for all the different colors available. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you found it useful, and see you very soon for another tutorial.